Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Notion for project management, showing you how to organize tasks, collaborate efficiently, and stay on top of your projects using Notion. Whether you're working solo or with a team, this guide will help you streamline your workflow. Setting up a project dashboard. Start by creating a dedicated project dashboard in Notion. Use a Kanban board, table, or list view to organize tasks and track progress. Customizing the layout based on your workflow makes project tracking more efficient. Creating and managing tasks. Use the to-do list feature or set up a task database to list tasks, deadlines, and priorities. Assign due dates, add tags, and categorize tasks into sections like in progress or completed for easy tracking. Collaborating with your team. Notion allows real-time collaboration by sharing project pages with your team. Assign tasks, leave comments, and update progress in one centralized space. You can also integrate tools like Slack or Google Drive for seamless communication. Using templates for efficiency. Save time by using Notion's built-in project management templates. Whether you need a roadmap, meeting notes, or a content calendar, Notion provides customizable templates to fit your workflow. Tracking progress with databases. Create filtered views and progress bars to visualize task completion. Using linked databases allows you to connect different project areas and maintain a clear structure without clutter. Automating workflows with integrations. Enhance your productivity by integrating Notion with tools like Zapier, Google Calendar, and Trello. These integrations help automate repetitive tasks and keep everything synced. Notion makes project management simple, flexible, and highly customizable. Have you tried managing projects with Notion? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.